Hi everyone, in this video I will be reviewing makeup from Miss Rose Cosmetic. Basically I'm reviewing their bridal makeup deals. I used their matte foundation before and I loved it. So let's get started. First is the primer. I'm using Miss Rose makeup based primer. It's a silicone based primer and oil free formula. This makes your skin super smooth while hiding the pores. I focus it in the areas where I have too much pores and fine lines. Also, it has no fragrance. Next is this Miss Rose Silk Flawless Foundation. I'm in shade Beige 04. I really like the packaging of all the products. This foundation gives you semi-matte finish. The coverage of this foundation is between medium to full. So I'm not going to build it up because I love medium coverage. Also, it is a super blendable foundation. The finish is soft matte on my skin. It didn't look cakey. You can see how natural it looks on my face. Also, I didn't notice any oxidization with this foundation. Then I'm using Miss Rose Full Coverage Concealer. I'm in shade Beige 3. This is my favorite from Miss Rose Cosmetic. This is not a matte concealer, it's a very lightweight formula. It does not crease easily, which is the best thing about this concealer. I'm going to apply this concealer under my eyes. It is a medium coverage concealer that provides a flawless look. I'm using Beauty Blender to blend it out. You can use any kind of brush you have. So next I'm using lip tint as a blush. This is a very beautiful pink color. I really like using tints because they gives you a natural finish. Also this tint is super blendable. It gives you a non-sticky glow. This tint does give you a beautiful natural finish and also not displace your foundation, and it shear down a lot when you blend it out. Then I have this Miss Rose Fashion Eyebrow Pencil in shade 03. This pencil does give a nice definition to your brows. Also, it is a very creamy formula and they also claim that it's a waterproof pencil. Next is Miss Rose Love Spell Compact Powder. My shade is Y2. There are more shades available on their website. It is a lightweight and it gives some coverage. Gives you a matte finish. It did hold my makeup for a few hours. So yeah, I think it's a good compact. Next for my eyeshadow, I'm using this Miss Rose for 24 color eyeshadow palette in 05. I'm going to use only one shade on my eyelid and blend it out with a fluffy brush. This palette has gorgeous shimmer shades and matte shades. So if you are a bridal and looking for a great palette, this palette is really good and so pigmented. Now I'm going to pick same shade and going to apply on my lower lash line. Then I'm using Miss Rose Black Gold Mascara. This is a very good mascara. So as you know, I am very picky with mascaras. I really like this one. It delivers thick lashes and add volume without clumping. As they say, it is a waterproof mascara. No, it's not. Next, I'm using this Miss Rose Black Gold eyeliner. This eyeliner is small and very lightweight. It will dry quickly. So I really like this eyeliner too. Next, I'm using this Miss Rose face kit. This face kit is all in one kit. It comes with 3 color eyeshadow, 2 color of blush and 1 highlighter and 1 bronzer. First, I'm going to bronze my face. This bronzer is undertone bronzer and looks so good. Then I'm going to apply this blush shade. This is a very beautiful pink, baby pink shade. I must say this palette is really pigmented. And I'm going to apply highlighter from this palette in some areas. Next I have these lipsticks from Miss Rose. These are Miss Rose Velvet lipstick. They gives you 2 shades in bridal makeup deal. Is more like a reddish shade and one is like nude shade. So I'm using shade number 33, which is a nude shade. These lipsticks are very pigmented and glides over lips like a butter. This shade is very pretty. Next, I'm going to set my face makeup with Miss Rose makeup setting spray. Provides long lasting control. So yes, I like it. And that was final step. I really like all the products. Also, these are affordable products. Hope you find this video helpful. If it did, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.